Welcome to YouTube channel PGK Kadam Academy. Dear friends, in this video we are going to learn how to import the .csv file or the Excel file in Jupyter for this Python program. Already we have studied how to install this Anaconda Navigator and how to launch. After launching, we'll get this window of the Jupyter. After that, we have to just press here and insert the whatever the name of our file. After that, friend, where this file is located, when you are a beginner, you don't know how the file, where it is saved. We can see by just these are the cells. Here we have to type the pwd and click on the run button, or you can click by Control Alt button. After that, first step, you must ensure that installed Python libraries are not that. If not present, you can install the pandas which is required for the data cleaning, data wrangling, or we can say the data manipulation is there. This pandas is also required. Different libraries are required. Import all libraries are very important before starting the program. So we can install these libraries just by typing this pip install pandas. After that, it will run and it will show like this windows. After that, main where to import the Python libraries and that pandas. How to import this? This is the here we install the library. After that, the panda is required by running this, loading this CSV file. So these are the for the data manipulation it is required. So here importing the pandas by just typing here import pandas, and after typing in this cell, just where to run it, or we can press the Control Enter. It will run. So when it will run, when it will display here number or star, that will be the your running is over. That means it is installed or imported. After that, main purpose of this video, that load CSV file or the Excel file. How to do it? The Excel file, it may also call as data frame file. What is data frame file? The CSV or Excel file which is having the data in rows and columns in tabular form. That is a data frame. So how to import it? This is the first step. This is the first type we can import. Just typing the pd.read underscore csv dot read underscore csv, or here also you can type the Excel. Instead of the CSV, you can, when file is in Excel form, you can type here Excel. And after that, inside the bracket, you can write here the name of that file. When we type it, this name of the file, that means that file is stored here, where you can see where it is stored. This file, this Python file is stored here, the C:\user pgcat YouTube. That is the location, local location. So I will show you how the local location is there. This is this Python program, and in the same folder, we have to save the data file also, that CSV file. And if you save in same folder, you can use this type of command. This command execute, and that will automatically output will be displayed here. That output in the form of this your file. Whatever the CSV file is there, you can see it. The total 201 rows are there and 29 columns are there. You can see here, just scrolling here. The total 29 columns are there, but you are visible few columns, first 5 and last 5. But what will the another way, if you don't know, the another way is that this is the already we are learned, but we can directly define here that variable as a data which is equal to pd. So why it is required? Because we have to call this file in this program again and again. For that purpose, we just name it data, and after that next row Just you have to run it. You type this and run it. It will be stored in the form of the data. After storing the data, just I want to see the data is stored or not. Just type here data and run it, so it will display the same way what we'll get it from this previous command. The another way, different way is there. Yes, there is another different way is there. We can see the pwd command to know the where it is located on the local drive. So see friend here, this is the command. Next, this is the command. The path, I have just given the name path. You can give any name. The path for the, because I have this is the path, and after that the file name experiment1 dataset.csv, and this form I have written. After that, what I have run, data equal to pd.read csv. Instead of this, the name of the file, I have written only path, because I already defined path equal to, this is the actual path where it is located. This is the location. You can get it by using this pwd command. If you don't know the location of the file where it is saved, generally what will happen, the beginners don't know how to get the location of the file. So this is a very simple way we get it. After this typing this command, just we have to run it, or you can press the control enter. So this cell will be run, and after press here run or control enter, you can see check the data is available or not by this command. So it will display like this. The in the previous command also we get it the same way. The all the columns and rows will be displayed. The data is now imported in this program. We can check if we want to see what are the display the top five, first 5 rows. So you can use this command data head. So this data head command is there. Run it. It will display the 5. If you want to see the top 10, any number in between this 201 columns or rows. So I want to see this 10 rows numbers. So it will display the 10, first 10, that 0 to 9, the 10 rows it will display, and column also display. All columns will display, only 10 rows will be visible. If I want to see all first 5, if I have not given any number here, it will display the first 5. Similarly, we can see here the tell, the data.tell. This is the command which will show the last 5 rows. Here you can see here 196 to 200, the last 5 rows it will display. If I want to see the tell 10 numbers, just have to type here 10, and it will run. It will show the last 10 rows. So actually, what is the size? Here it is display the size of the this total data sheet. That size will get it by this command data shape. Just type it and run it. Will get directly 201,29. That is the output of this command. This is the dot shape is the command. The data is what? Your file name. So this is a simple way to get it and know the data is uploaded or not, and confirm it. After this video, you just go for the another video for data cleaning, learning that how the data is cleaned, how the data visualization is done for this EDA, graphical, non-graphical type exploratory data analysis. Please, if you're not subscribed my channel, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for watching full video. Please subscribe, like and share channel. PGK Kadam Academy.